Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, March 14th. I said on for Thursday I was looking for volatility Thursday and Friday, and my volatility expectations for a move higher. You can see here in the NASDAQ market that is not what happened. We did have volatility but not up. We have some concerns still out there about China, the Ukraine situation, even though we did have some positive U.S. numbers. For Friday's action, I'm looking for a little bit of a break to the downside, but I'm not looking for a dramatic move down. I do not believe people want to go home short as we go into this weekend. Also, the euro rallied a little bit and also came back off. I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. In Japanese yen, what I did want to mention to you here is that the market did trade above this bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level is 42 ticks or $525, and then that's just a reference to give you an idea. And when it comes to the notes, I was looking for a down move, but with the movement that we had in the stock market, this is very logical, but I'm not looking for follow through. I'm looking for a rest day today in that market. Crude oil, we forgot the metals. Gold, looked for a rest day in yesterday's action. It was right on target. That is the behavior I was looking for, and I think we have a chance for a rally as we go into Friday's action. So a stronger move, another way to say that. Now in crude oil, sideways move is what I'm looking for. Again, this is what I talked about for yesterday's action, and that's the kind of behavior we have. I'm looking for more of the same to slightly weaker. And when it comes to the grains, well, soybeans did trade above this bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is 10 cents or $500. And here in this market, I'm looking for a sideways move for Friday's action. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.